Good afternoon, YouTubers. It's Brian Paraganian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing you the closing commentary for Thursday, April 23rd. We had the stock market again show resilience here again, especially in the Dow closing up over 70 points on the day. And I again, think this market is going to be a two-way trade in here, and we continue to play both sides of the market. Yesterday we were long the SRS, so that was a bearish position on the real estate stocks. Today we actually got long AEM this morning. The stock popped above 47, rocketed to 48 in the next 30 minutes early on in the day. And then we also got involved on a swing trade here today. If you are a member of ours, you'd know that. We bought MYGN, Myriad Genetics, at 37 and a quarter. It spiked all the way up to 38.90. Settled back at the 38 level. We have a stop on it now at a break even at 37 and a quarter. So this is one of the trades that we're involved in now. Now again, if you're a member, you know exactly what we're doing. I continue to say go to our website, take advantage of our 3-day free trial. I don't know why you wouldn't be. We're doing nothing but making money here. We're teaching our members exactly how to trade, what to look for. And again, we spotted a real nice turnaround in that stock. We were never threatened on the position, and that's what you want to try and do, is give yourself as much upside opportunity with limiting your risk. At $14.99 a month, that's what our price is going to be here starting towards the end of June. You can't beat what we do. $160 annual membership. All you need to do is take one of our trades, one of our ideas. For example, today, AEM, also MYGN. You could have traded 100 shares on both of them, paid for a service for the next year. I don't know what you're waiting for. I really don't have a lot to add here today, other than I'm really excited again because we had one heck of a day again today. After the close, we had Microsoft come out with earnings. They missed expectations of stock. Let me just take a look here what it's doing here in the aftermarket. The stock is trading up here 63 cents in aftermarket activity. We had Amazon come out with earnings as well. They beat expectations by a penny. The stock's trading up a little over $1 currently. We also had American Express coming out with earnings. Looks like their earnings were quite well. They beat expectations. The stock's trading $1.30 higher in the aftermarket. And we also had Microsoft come out with earnings, and their stock is trading up higher here in the aftermarket as well. So all in all, I continue to think this market's going to be a two-way trade. UPS came out with earnings earlier this morning, and they had a dismal outlook as far as where the economy was headed. The stock closed down at $1.42 on the day. So I don't think you can get too excited about the upside here. This is a trader's market. I absolutely love it. You should be loving it yourself, and if you're not, then you've got some issues here, because you need to be making money in this market, because it's a real simple market if you know what you're doing. Go to our site, take advantage of our 3-day free trial. As far as heading into tomorrow, I really don't know. Giving you my honest opinion, I don't know where we're going tomorrow, and quite frankly, it doesn't really matter to me because I trade the market. I let the setups come to me, whether they be swing trades, whether they be day trades. I let the setups come to me. That's what we did again today. Another successful day trade. We're positioned in Myriad Genetics, ticker symbol MYGN, from 37 and a quarter. We've got a break-even stop on it now. The stock closed slightly above 38. I believe it was 38.01, 38.02 on the close here today. So we're also ahead on that trade heading into tomorrow. No risk on the trade since we've got a break-even stop. They don't have earnings coming out till May 4th, so we're clear and free of that. You know what? I think I might have mentioned Microsoft 2 times. The other one that I wanted to mention was Amgen. They came out with earnings here today. They missed on earnings, and the stock is trading down here by about $1, $1.15 in aftermarket activity. That's a stock that I've really got on my radar here that I want to get long, and to maybe any further weakness, I want to look to buy that stock. I think just on pure valuations, the stock is getting very interesting in here. I think from a swing trade perspective, it's also getting interesting. I think you can look to be a buyer as close to 45 as you can. Run some stops down below there, but the stock looks like it's getting real interesting here. I just think it's getting washed out. Their guidance wasn't really necessarily that bad. They slightly revised some of their revenues slightly lower, but all in all, I think the stock is coming into an area that I think one should want to be a buyer of. So that's an idea that I'm going to throw out there with you. I'm going to look to see how the tape action is tomorrow, and I may look to be a buyer of Amgen in the early morning. Have yourselves a great evening. We'll be back. We'll try and be back tomorrow morning with the pre-open comment. Again, today we weren't able to make it, and I apologize for that, but we're just so bogged down with getting things prepared for our webcast that we didn't have time this morning, nor did we have time in the mid-morning to do a mid-morning comment. So again, if you're looking for stuff in a real-time setting, go to our site, become a member. It's absolutely great. Our members love it. Have yourselves a great evening.